I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ComfiLife brand, their gel enhanced seat cushion. It's an office chair cushion. It's non-slip bottom we're going to show. It's a memory foam. You can take the cover off for cleaning. They offer a lifetime replacement warranty. Tell you how to go about doing that, which is great. And it gets excellent customer ratings. Customers really love this product. So you see it's got a really unique shape to it. You could put your tailbone here and it gives you some tailbone relief. And this supports the arch right by your legs right there. It's all memory foam. This has got a heavy duty weight to it, and it has these non-slip beads on the bottom. And you can unzip this right here, and you can actually clean the top of it if you like, but there is the memory foam inside there, and there's a blue gel material in the center right there. You can see right there. I'll open it up. And here you can see the gel material right there inside there. Really, really comfortable, and it will support your full body and allow you to be more comfortable. Great for office chairs or for in your automobile also. Also raise your height in your car about 2.5 inches also. So I've purchased from this company before, and I have other ones of these also that I use daily. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.